to Black Snake Adventures. As you know, me and Soph, we like shooting.
Hello.
We got into a bit of shooting during lockdown. You may have seen our videos on that. If you haven't, they'll be up here somewhere. We'll add some cards so you can click and have a look. Sophie's now actually got into it, and then when she got into it with what she got into it with, I decided I need to get one too. So we have got Gammo PCP rifles now, which are fun. Today we're at Field of Falcon. If you don't know where that is, it's a fantastic place up in Wrexham, which is mint for shooting. There's some great guys there. They'll hook you up with some decent stuff. If you're just a newbie or you've been in the game a while, my hair's a mess, but sod that.
Mine too. It's a clammy, messy day, but
it's a bit humid and we've been up a while.
yes, but we're gonna have fun.
We're gonna have fun today. Yeah, if you're a newbie or you've been shooting for a while, come and see the guys here. They are great and they will help you out with whatever you need.
Yeah.
Today we're going to do some challenges. Sophie, if you want to tell them what the challenges are.
Hello. Right. Yes. So we have some targets set right over there. The little wooden box there. I've set up some chalk and I've also set up some cotton buds. So we're going to try and shoot them from, I think this is 20 feet. Is it 20 feet? Well,
The full range is 40 metres.
The full range is 40 metres, so in that case this looks like about 25 metres? Okay, we'll get the proper measurements, but yeah, we're going to give it a go. So we're going to load up our mags. We have...
It is 25 metres.
Cool. We have, we've each got mags that are basically 10 capacity. I've just pumped my rifle up. We'll see if Rogers needs pumping. We're going to take it away.
My rifle doesn't need pumping.
Eesh.
Sophie and... Yeah, mine's fine. I already checked it. When I got it out
Okay.
back.
Good. Ooh.
She doesn't trust me.
Oh, it's not that. Hey, if they've watched the last video, you would have seen that I'm like, I think my rifle needs air. No, it doesn't. No, it's fine. Yeah, it needs air. He came and checked, and it was like, yeah, go on, what?
We might add that snippet in here.
Yeah, let's add it. Watch it now.
Now. It's definitely not out of air. I was wrong. It is.
We are out of air, yeah.
You're in the zero.
I gathered.
You know your own rifle, don't you, baby girl?
Let's try. Yeah.
My rifle's a 177. Sophie's is a 22. If you know anything about Gammo / PSA rifles, mine's a Gammo GX40. Sophie's is a Gammo Fox.
Da, da, da.
Both basically the same rifle. If you haven't seen the difference, 177 comes with a blue magazine, or 22 comes with a red magazine.
Okay, Roger's going to show us how to load the mag.
If you've never loaded one of these before, or again you're looking at how simple these are. If you're not an experienced shooter and you're just trying to look into how easy these are to operate, get your magazine. The other cool thing about these is when you come to shooting, you have a yellow dot here. When you've seen that pop up on the side when you're shooting, you know you're on your last shot. Simple way to fill these up, you just literally drop the pellets in and they're spring loaded. So as you're shooting through, it will move on to the next one. Just so that. These are not semi-automatic rifles, you do have to cock them in between, but they are really simple and straightforward to use. But now we will get on to some shooting and I will stop waffling.
Not finished filling up your mag yet.
No.
Okay.
Sign Maru.
Sign Maru! Why don't you tell the viewers the story while you're filling up your mag? The Sign Maru story.
So I have a colleague called Chris. And Chris asked me what Sign Maru means.
Because he thought it was a Welsh word, right?
He thought it was a Welsh word.
So he's asked the resident. Welshie.
He's like, is it Gaelic? I'm like, well, the Welsh are Celtic. Yes, you can comment in the comment section below if I'm wrong on that. But he asked me that question, and I said, I don't know. So I messaged Sophie, and I was like, what does Saimaru mean? And she was like, no, sorry, I recorded him saying the word, and she was like, I have no idea. So she's Googling it. So I didn't ask him, but he spelt it for me with Cymmru, and I was like, oh, that means Cymru? That's Welsh for Wales?
Saimaru!
Saimaru.
Right. It's shooting time, boys. Oh.
It works on a magnetic thing, so you slots in.
Oh god, he's gone gay already. He's gone camp.
Slots in.
It takes Roger about, I don't know, 50 seconds into a video to go camp. Normally, that was quite late that time, babe.
Well, as long as I don't become Michael Caine, I think we're alright.
Okay, right, where are we aiming for?
Left hand chalk. Viewers, I don't think I'm hitting it. I'm nowhere near it. I don't know why. I'll go forward.
Hey!
It didn't explode, it tells me I have no air. Gonna go to the middle.
Fucking hell.
I'm going to pause here because I don't think I've got enough air to explode them.
Okay. Okay. I've had a little go of zeroing Roger's too. To be honest, it only needed a slight adjustment. Let's see how we go. Where are you aiming for, Rog?
I'm aiming for what I think is a chalk on the left.
Okay. Yes! That's it. Fantastic. Much better.
I don't think you've got any more chalk up. Can't see any, so I'm going to go for a cotton
Nothing came out. No, that didn't fire. Yes! You hit it! It bounced! It moved! I saw it move! Okay. You look very perplexed then. Yes! Well done! Oh, that was good. Right, where are you aiming now? The wonky one.
Next one along.
That didn't fire.
It's not, is it? I don't think it's loading properly.
No. That did not shoot. You're not empty, are you?
Oh, I got it.
You got it! Well done!
Empty now, though.
Empty. Okay.
That is Sophie's shot. She doesn't like the polystyrene.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the roller thing in a minute and go on some chalk. That sounded empty, so let's, I think that loaded properly. Try again with the sure. I'm gonna go back to the rolly thing if that's okay.
It's fine.
Right. Okay. Just have more control over your weapon. Right. There we go. But I'm not hitting. I'm not right enough there. I hope she's actually like, she's okay and she doesn't need zeroing again. Right, I tried a low hit, I tried a high hit.
Okay, let's just pause there then. Right, we've zeroed Sophie's rifle a little bit.
Yeah, it got a little off, hasn't it then?
A little bit, yeah.
It was shooting to the left, so Roger helped me with some grouping and placing, you know, where the pellets were landing and told me how to adjust, and hopefully we're on now, so should I try for some chalk again, darling?
Let's give it a bash.
Bash and a smash, let's give it a go.
That's better.
Ah, that's it.
Do you feel more accomplished now?
Absolutely, thank you for helping me with that, because when you don't get it, it feels really bad. It feels like you're failing. I hit the cotton bud! I hit the cotton bud! Yeah!
That means you're zeroed, honey.
Oh, yeah, alright, one more chalk and then I think you deserve a go. Let's get you on, babe. Let's go for the white chalk at the end. Yes! Oh, it feels good.
Hell yeah.
I'm winning. Right, your turn. Let's go. Vid 4. Fire away, Rog. Yeah.
Chalk's easy.
You see it? Oh. Oh, you've made something rattle over there. Like there's a can that's now rattling and swinging. What did you do?
Well, I exploded that bit of chalk so much that
It's just
a chunk of it went over there.
wow. Fair play. Oh.
Got you though. That's got that shot, so I'm gonna go for that arm.
Yes. Good job, babe.
Well, that concludes our shooting day. I hope you enjoyed watching us. We should be back soon.